In this video, we are going to solve a mathematical equation, and the equation reads: without using mathematical tables or a calculator, evaluate -8 times 4 plus 156 divided by 2 of, in brackets we have -43 plus 30. That one is all over -3 minus -8 times 2 plus 6. This is a mixed operation. As you can see from the sum, we have got multiplication sign, addition, division, of, addition, multiplication, both in the numerator and the denominator. So this sum, since it is a mixed operation, it requires a rule, and there is a rule that it can follow. The rule is known as Bodmas. Bodmas simply means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we can carry out or solve this sum in two parts. As you can see, we have the numerator and the denominator. We can first solve the numerator. That one will stand for the numerator, and numerator reads -8 times 4 plus 156 divided by 2 of -43 plus 30. Remember the rule, the math reads without using mathematical tables or calculator. So you don't need a mathematical table or a calculator to solve this. So we'll first apply our Bodmas rule to the numerator. Let us apply the Bodmas rule to the numerator. Do we have the bracket in the numerator? Yes, we have the bracket in the numerator, and the bracket is here. These ones are used to write the negative numbers. The negative numbers are usually encapsulated in a bracket. So we'll solve this one first. So this one will remain the same. -8 times 4 plus 156 divided by 2 of -43 plus 30 is -13. We have solved the bracket of. Do we have of? Yes, we have of in the numerator. To solve that, it is -8 times 4 plus 156 divided by 2 of simply means multiplication. Of simply means multiplication. So it is 2 of 13. So this is the same as 2 times 13, which is -26. Can also put that one in the bracket. We have done with the of. We are going to division. Do we have division? Yes. So it is going to be -8 times 4 plus 156. If we divide by -26, we are going to get -6. Then we can now go to multiplication, and the multiplication part, we are going to multiply -8 by 4, which is -32. So -32 plus -6, that's a total of -38. That's not the final answer. That was the operations for the numerator. We can now carry for the denominator. The denominator part has -3 minus -8 times 2 plus 6. Just as the numerator, we apply the Bodmas rule. The bracket, we don't have it here. Of, we don't have. Division, no. Multiplication, yes, we have got multiplication, and the multiplication part is -3. We can do away with this bracket, so it is going to be +8 times 2 plus 6. So we are going to carry out the multiplication part. Is going to be -8 plus 16 plus 16, and the next operator is addition. We are going to carry -3 plus 16. Sorry, this one is supposed to be +6, not +16. So -3 plus 16 plus 6, that one is supposed to become around -3 plus 6, that is negative. That's 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. So the combined operation for that is going to be the combined simply means the numerator together with the denominator is going to be -38 over 19. And if you solve that, -38 divided by 19 is -2. That's it for the video, guys, and that's how we are supposed to solve that mixed operation. See you in the next video.